नमस्ते, नेपाल अनलाइन स्कुलमा स्वागत छ। आज हामी अल्दो को बारेमा एक्सरसाइज गर्न जाँदैछौँ। हामीले यसको ग्रामेटिकल रुलको भिडियो बनाइसकेका छौँ। तपाईले त्यो भिडियो हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यति भन्दै मैले सुरु गरेँ। फर्स्टमा हेरौँ, कम्प्लिट द सेन्टेन्सेस युजिङ अल्दो प्लस अ सेन्टेन्स फ्रम द बक्स। अल्दो प्लस यो बक्समा एउटा सेन्टेन्स छानेर तलको हामीले भर्नु पर्यो भनेर भनेको छ। ओके, गरौँ न त। 1. Although she has a very important job, she isn't well paid. उसको चाहिँ एकदमै महत्त्वपूर्ण काम भए पनि उसलाई चाहिँ राम्रो स्यालेरी छैन, उसको चाहिँ राम्रो कमाइ छैन भनेर भनिएको छ। 2. I recognize her from a photo. यसो माथि हेरौँ त कुन ठिक हुन्छ त। फर्स्टदेखि हेरौँ त। ओके, I had never seen her before. मैले उसलाई कहिले पनि नभेटे पनि उसको फोटो हेरेर मैले चिने। Although I had never seen her before, I recognize her from a photo. 3. Sarah wasn't wearing a coat. अब जाडो थियो, ठ्याक्कै योभन्दा मुनि रहेछ, ठ्याक्कै मेरो आँखा गइहाल्यो। जाडो भए पनि उसले कोट लगाएको थिएन। Sarah wasn't wearing a coat, although it was quite cold. 4. We decided to invite them to the party. सो हेरौँ त, हामीले उनीहरूलाई इन्भाइट गर्ने विचार गर्यौँ। ओके, we don't like them very much. हामीले उनीहरूलाई मन नपराए पनि हामीले के त पार्टीमा इन्भाइट गर्ने विचार गर्यौँ। We decided to invite them to the party, although we don't like them very much. 5. I managed to make myself understood. यसो हेरौँ त, मैले बुझेको थिइनँ भने। ओके, I didn't speak the language well. है, although I didn't speak the language well, I managed to make myself understood. मैले त्यो भाषा राम्रोसँग बोल्न नजाने पनि मैले आफूलाई व्यक्त गरेँ हैन। I managed to make myself understood भनेर भनेको छ। 6. The room wasn't warm. यसो हेरौँ त, यहाँ हिटिङ वाज अनको कुरा छ। हिटिङ अन भए पनि कोठा तातो थिएन। Although the heating wasn't on, the heating was on, the room wasn't warm. 7. अब दुईटा बाँकी छ। I recognize her. मैले दुईचोटि मात्रै भेटे पनि उसलाई रेकग्नाइज गरिसकेँ। I didn't रेकग्नाइज गरिनँ। दुईचोटि भेटेको छु तर मैले उसलाई रेकग्नाइज गरिनँ। I didn't recognize her, although I had met her twice before. 8. We are not close friends. हामीले एकअर्कालाई धेरै समय जाने पनि हामी क्लोज फ्रेन्ड छैनौँ। We are not close friends, although we have known each other a long time. ठिक छ। ओके, अब तल हेरौँ। Although, in spite of, because अनि because of को कुरा छ। Complete the sentences with although, in spite of, because of अथवा because of अथवा in spite of को ठाउँमा तपाईले despite मात्रै पनि राख्न सक्नुहुन्छ। अब although आयो भने के हुन्छ त भनेर एउटा हाम्रो रुल छ। although आउने बित्तिकै सब्जेक्ट प्लस भर्ब आउँछ र in spite of आयो भने एउटा अथवा नाउन आउँछ अथवा प्रनाउन आउँछ अथवा आइएनजी भर्ब आउँछ भन्ने कुरा गरेका थियौँ, हामीले रुल पढेको र त्यसलाई नै ध्यान राखेर हामी गरौँ एक्सरसाइज 1 although it rained a lot we had a good time although पछि हेर्नुस् त subject plus verb although it rained a lot we had a good time 2 को a हेरौँ dot 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 all our careful plans a lot of things went wrong अब यसमा in spite of अथवा despite all our careful plans a lot of things went wrong b we had planned everything carefully a lot of things went wrong अब यसमा although किन although त although राख्न मिल्यो किन त subject plus verb छ नि त although we had planned everything carefully a lot of things went wrong 3 को a I went home early किन त भन्दाखेरि I was feeling unwell है ठीक एकदमै ठीक छ I went home early किन भन्दाखेरि because I was feeling unwell B I went to work the next day that I was still feeling unwell म बिरामी फिल गरिराखे पनि म काममा गएँ I was छ although म काममा गएँ नि त I went to work the next day although I was still feeling unwell subject plus verb पनि आएको छ although पछाडि 4a Chris only accepted the job the salary which was very high Chris only accepted the job किन भन्दाखेरि because of the salary which was very high B Sam accepted the job the salary which was rather low कम भए पनि उसले एक्सेप्ट गर्यो भनेपछि यहाँनिर although अथवा in spite लाग्नुपर्छ है अब in spite लाग्नको लागि त ठीक छ तर although लाग्नको लागि subject plus verb चाहिन्छ यहाँनिर छ त subject plus verb छैन त्यही भएर Sam accepted the job in spite of अथवा despite of the salary which was rather low 5a there was a lot of noise I slept quite well although there was a lot of noises I slept quite well 5b I couldn't get to sleep के को कारणले because of the noise अब नेक्स्टमा भनेको छ use your own ideas to complete the following sentences भनेर भनेको छ following sentences लाई हामीले कम्प्लिट गर्नु पर्यो आफ्नै आइडियाले ठीक छ 6a he passed the exam although उसले राम्रोसँग पढेको थिएन although he hadn't studied very hard 6b he passed the exam because उसले एकदमै मेहनत गरेर पढेको थियो because he had studied very hard 7a I didn't eat much although म भोकाएको थिएँ अब although आउने बित्तिकै subject plus verb लेख्नु पर्यो I didn't eat much although I was hungry 7b I didn't eat much in spite of के त being hungry अब यहाँ subject plus verb आउनु भएन अथवा ing अथवा pronoun अथवा noun आउनु पर्यो in spite of being hungry अथवा in spite of my hunger पनि लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ अथवा in spite the fact that I was hungry अथवा यो that हटाएर I didn't eat much in spite of the fact I was hungry हो यसरी पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है यसको चाहिँ धेरै पोसिबल वेहरू भयो ओके यस्तै गरेर नेक्स्ट गरौँ के भनेको छ त भन्ने कुरा छ के भनेको छ भन्दाखेरि मेक वान सेन्टेन्स फ्रम टु दुईटा दिएको छ त्यसलाई जोडेर एउटा बनाउनु पर्यो ब्र्याकेटमा दिएको छ त्यो वर्ड हालेर भनेर भन्छ ओके 1 I couldn't sleep I was very tired despite I couldn't sleep despite being very tired despite the fact I was tired I was very tired too we played quite well तर we lost the game in spite of राख्नु पर्यो in spite of अब के हुन्छ त in spite of playing quite well We lost the game. 3. I had hurt my foot. I managed to walk home. मैले आफ्नो खुट्टा हर्ट गरे पनि म घर आउन मैले म्यानेज गरेँ. Although I had hurt my foot, I managed to walk home. 4. I enjoyed the film. The story was silly. Story silly भयो भने मैले फिल्म इन्जोय गरेँ. I enjoyed the film in spite of being silly. In spite the fact that the story was silly. 5. We live in the same building. We hardly ever see each other. Despite प्रयोग गर्नु पर्यो. Despite living in the same building. Despite living in the same building, we hardly ever see each other. Similarly, 6. They came to the party. They hadn't been invited. अब इन्भाइट नगरिकन पनि उनीहरू आएछन्. They came to the party even though they hadn't been invited. सजिलो छ. They hadn't been invited. Okay. Last one. Use the words in the bracket to make a sentence. Though at the end. Though last मा राखेर प्रयोग गर्नु पर्यो र though प्राय स्पोकन इङ्ग्लिसमा मात्रै युज हुन्छ. प्राय भन्ने कुरा गरेका थियौँ र लास्टमा राख्छौँ भनेका छौँ. 1. The house isn't very nice. तर गार्डन मलाई मन पर्यो. I like the garden though. I enjoy reading the book. धेरै लामो भए पनि मलाई चाहिँ मन पर्यो भन्ने कुरा छ नि हैन. सो के हुन्छ त? I enjoyed reading the book. It's very long though. 3. We didn't like the food. त्यही पनि मैले खाएँ. We ate it though. 4. Laura is very nice. उसको हस्बेन्ड चाहिँ मलाई मन पर्दैन. I don't like her husband though. है त. ल हामीले यसरी although, in spite of, despite of, because को कुरा गर्यौं र यसमा केही नबुझ्नु भएको छ भने हामीलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. त्यति भन्दै यो भिडियो यही टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु. कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. केही नबुझ्नु भएको छ भने फोन गरेर पनि हामीलाई भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ. तल फोन नम्बर डिस्क्रिप्सनमा दिएको छ. थ्यांक यू सो मच फर वाचिङ. अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, गुड बाई, किप लर्निङ. 𝘀𝗁𝘂𝗀𝗃. पिस.